Hi Lolita and all. I'm going to show you how you can get the link. So when you embed the code, the actual video shows up. See the share, click on the share. You want to click on the embed. Click right here, Control C to copy, cut it. And now I'm going to go back to the course and I'm going to reply to you. So I'm going to reply to the email, click on the advanced like I showed you, and click right here. Then when you click on edit HTML code, so I'm going to, here is the video. I forgot to do this before. Now when I click Control V and I click update, ta-da, here's the video. Hopefully this helps.